Welcome to the video on CPD. When you log in to the member portal, in the main menu, you will now see the CPD. When you click on it and you click on CPD activities, it will show you your transcript and activities completed. You can see your total lifetime credits required for your collection period. You will also see at the top here and some instructions, so please note that you may need to earn an additional 100 hours depending on which certification program you are with, as up to the minimum required within the credits totals. So just something to be aware of. Here you can see all of the different levels of types of activities to complete. And when you've earned them, they are automatically added to your total collected versus outstanding. When you scroll down, you will be able to see any activity that you have completed previously. If you have new activities that you'd like to add to be approved, you simply click on the Add New Activity button. In here, you need to make sure that you add the proper descriptions. So you want to add as much of a description for your activity so that the admin can approve it easily. So you want to make sure that you have all the details that are required for approval. So just make sure that you have most of that information in there. You then also will have the levels, so you can identify which one it is attached to. You would say where the activity is, the date that it was on, or if it was over a duration of time, the number of hours and credits you've earned, and then you can select any documentation. I'm just simply sending an image for today's, but if you have a certification or document that you've completed or proof of completing that activity, you may please provide it. We then hit submit, and this will go to the administrators for approval. You will see it at the bottom as a pending approval option, and then once the admins approve it, it will be added to your transcript in your calculations and also in your certification transcript that you can print and download at any time. Thank you for joining us. Let us know if you have any questions.